RoofCore by STYRO. Engineered with design and innovation, STYRO ROOFCORE Systems offer a lightweight yet durable solution for modern construction needs. Our roofing systems provide superior insulation, reducing energy consumption while maintaining optimal indoor temperature. Install the vapor barrier. The vapor barrier helps prevent moisture from penetrating the roofing system, protecting the structure from damage over time. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the roof surface to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Roll out the vapor barrier membrane, carefully aligning it with the edges of the roof. Install the RoofCore. RoofCore offers a high-performance insulation solution for roofing systems with superior thermal insulation, moisture-resistant, and long-term durability. RoofCore with Alloglass helping reduce heating and cooling demands also minimizes water and vapor absorption. Lay RoofCore panels across the vapor barrier, aligning each panel securely. Ensure panels are flushed with no gaps between them to maintain thermal continuity. Apply the waterproof layer. The waterproof membrane protects the roof from water intrusion, increasing durability and reducing the risk of leaks. Roll out the waterproof membrane over the RoofCore layer, carefully aligning it along the edges. Lay the geotextile layer. The geotextile layer acts as a filtration and separation layer, improving the longevity of the roof by preventing material erosion and drainage issues. Roll out the geotextile over the waterproof membrane. Align and secure the edges, ensuring full coverage over the surface. Apply the screed layer. The screed layer provides a solid, leveled base, supporting the final roof covering and enhancing structural integrity. Mix and pour the screed material evenly over the geotextile layer. Use leveling tools to ensure a smooth, even surface, allowing for drainage where needed. Allow the screed to cure as per material specifications before moving to the next step. Apply the paint or tile finish. The final finish not only provides aesthetic value, but also adds an extra layer of protection. Lay tiles according to the design plan, using tile adhesive as specified. RoofCore by STYRO.